Now we need two brushes, a piece of paper and three colors of paint. I will use yellow, red and black. To begin with, we only need a round brush. The main color will be yellow and there should be a lot of it on your brush. We dip the tip of the brush into red paint, in the end your brush should look like mine. How to make a basic stroke? We gently touch the tip of the brush to the paper, stretch it a little and then press the entire brush and smoothly tear it off the paper. The next stroke is almost the same, we just bend it slightly. Now let's use two stroke options and in the end we should end up with a petal. One stroke in the center and two strokes on the sides. Now we will apply our new knowledge and paint a flower. Let's start with a sketch. For this you will need a pencil. I draw a circle. In the middle of the circle there is another circle and we outline where the petals will be. You should have 6 like me. Okay, let's start. It doesn't matter which petal you start with. We have the first stroke in the middle and to it we add 2 on the sides. If you want to get a beautiful transition stroke, don't forget to add red paint each time. Next petal. You can rotate the sheet of paper to make it more convenient for you. I forgot to say that I paint with size 5 brushes. So in my case I got 6 petals. But of course, if your brush is wider, you may have fewer petals and vice versa, if your brush is smaller, then there will be more petals. Next step, we will use cat brush and black paint. Remember that your paint should be liquid, so if you need, just add a little bit water. Now I'll show you how to contour the petals. I draw thin lines starting from about the middle of the petal and leading them to the center of the flower. My lines are very close to each other. My paint on the flower hasn't dried yet, and I will have to return to this place. Of course, it's not dried, so your paint must dry before you make the outline. It may seem to you that you have a lot of black color on the flower, but we will put dots on top of it, and this will only decorate our flower, so don't worry. While we are waiting for the black paint to dry, I'll show you how to paint leaves with a round brush. As you understand, we will use again round brush and same colors, yellow and red. Paint a basic stroke, but longer than usual, and add smaller strokes on two sides from it, like I do. One more time, only this time we will bend it to the side. In fact, this first and longest stroke sets the direction for the leaf. And the last leaf, only this time in the other direction. During this time our flower has already dried up, so we will go back to it and put the dots in the center. For this, we no longer need brushes, we need a cat's web. I will use yellow paint. If you want, you can use red. And we just put dots in a circle. It comes out simple and at the same time it looks beautiful. Today we learned how to paint a flower and a leaf. Both of these elements we will use at the workshop. See you there!